Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner. And today I have my Sadie Stickers September subscription here to open with you guys. This is a $33 a month subscription kit for planners. It's usually catered towards the 7 to by 9 type planner, but it does work in like happy planners and other types of planners as well. It does ship the first week of the following month, which is why it is just coming in now. And we have a new format this month, so I'm super excited to take a look at that. Also, the preview art for this month, oh my goodness. So I'm going to insert a picture here. She posts these on her webpage, so if you go in there and you look at the monthly subscription, you can always see this kind of vision board for the kit. And I love the Christmas themes and it's so pretty. So I'm super excited about that. And with all that being said, let's get into this kit because I can't wait to see what this reformat looks like. Like I saw it, her preview online, but I haven't seen it in person. So before I open it, if you have not received your kit yet or haven't opened it yet, please come back later. I'm always here. No big deal. I don't want to ruin your surprise for you. So here we go. Oh my gosh, look, it's so pretty. Oh, and it's silver foil this month. Oh, love it. With the reformat, there's lots of new additional sheets that she's starting to make that look so amazing. And I loved what she did with the journaling kit. So, oh my gosh. I'm hoping that we got all of the different parts. I'm going to kind of zoom you guys in a little bit. So there we go. So we've been getting these for the last couple of months. It's just a nice foil sampler. This one says Snowflake Sampler. I haven't seen these in the shop yet, but I do wonder if eventually she might do something like this in the shop. I've seen some others do kind of bigger versions of this that they're selling, which is kind of nice. I love the detail that we have here. It seems to be a pretty standard format now. So we get some swoops up here. We get a spattering of individuals. We get some of the clusters that she does, some longer dangles so you can put together your own. All you have to do is layer these swooshes down here with these and you get a similar effect. And you also have some of the dangle deco down here, a couple of headers. These are super cute. She did this one, I think last year, where it's like half snowflakes and then you have little dots like flurries up there and it's just really sweet. So that's our sampler. Next, let's just kind of look at, because it's a different size, I don't want it to get lost. So we are getting a floral trims sheet now. So we have the Kiss Cut or contrast cut, whatever you want to call it, stickers here around the florals, which this is probably one of my favorite trends that's came out this year. I just think it's amazing. And it looks so beautiful on every spread. It's amazing. So we have 2 full strips, so you could do that across the top or wherever. And then we have 8 smaller ones here that work great for dividers, or if you want to line them up against the side of a box or that kind of thing. They're already kind of pre-cut for you. So we have that. Now here's our first look at the full boxes. As always, I love the fireplace scenes. They're so pretty. And I like the spattering of silver you can kind of see through here as almost like little baubles or something in there. And then our lantern here is also foiled. Looks really nice. And then we have candles up here. Those might be nice to put like kind of the dots that she does, because she has these dot clusters, and if you got those in silver and kind of put them up here, or if you're going to do a mixed metal, you could add in gold and that would also look really nice. Then we have more floral here, and the middle is kind of foiled and then a little bit around the edges of wherever the florals are. And then over here we have the snow globe, which might be my favorite box. I mean, these two are pretty close for me. But I love the idea of Christmas in a snow globe. And then you have these beautiful little dangle elements. So pretty. And it would be easy to, like, if you had a big party or something, kind of label it on here. I think that would be really fun. Then we have, not a full outfit, but we have the nice cozy sweater, the boots, the mittens, all the things that we kind of think of when it's getting colder out. And then over here we have when snow falls, nature listens. Super cute. And then we have this nice box and this. So definitely beautiful florals. We have a cup of hot cocoa here, a candy cane, cinnamon stick it looks like there, and some snowflakes. And then this box is really beautiful as well with the foiled ornament and snowflakes and then that beautiful pine cone. One of the things I really like about this kit though is you could easily transform this from a Christmas kit into just a snow type winter kit. All you would really have to do, I think, is take out these two boxes, which would still look, well, maybe this one with the candy cane, maybe. So maybe 3 boxes, and then you would have a completely kind of snow-oriented kit. So it's very versatile in my opinion, and I love the blue that she chose. It's so pretty. Okay, so that was our full boxes. Oh, and I did miss one thing. Down here at the bottom, we did have previously like really squared off, kind of this type of box down here at the bottom. Now they're more swatches. And the foil is very minimal on them, so I think they make great boxes for layering. And this one doesn't have any foil at all, which is kind of nice to have the variety. And you have foil in the lower corner, in the upper corner, so it's very versatile in my opinion. Now here we go for our boxes page, and she's put labels up at the top. I don't know if they weren't there before or if I just didn't notice them before. One of the two. So I definitely love the lace boxes that she's pulled in here. I find myself gravitating more and more to those type of boxes, but she also has these more like watercolor sample boxes or something. And I think these are going to be great for layering. And I know she specifically designed them so that you can layer the doily or lace boxes over the other if you wanted to. And she purposely didn't put as much foil on them. So like this one and this one are completely foil free. So you have free range on those, but did add it just elegant little touches there. Then we have a row of squares, which I think is great. Love these two. And I'm really digging the dangle that she put on here. Now we have more swatches through here that are kind of midi size, which is going to be fun to play with. I like the way that she kind of did this brush stroke at the top here. I think that's really beautiful. Love these midi boxes here. So we have a lot more less than full size boxes. Now we still have the row of half boxes, which I think honestly is a good amount. And then we have some third boxes through here. She did kind of update the design. So these ones here are looking more watercolored, opposed to having lots of different designs for like the edging of the box. It's more the design in the box on these. Because prior, okay, here's last month's kit that I used for this last week. And so we don't have the boxes with the indentations, it looks like, as much anymore. We have more the fuller sized boxes. And by the way, this was the plan with me that was supposed to go up today. However, I ended up with a really bad migraine, like really bad. So yesterday I had to go in and get a shot so that it would calm down. So I haven't gotten to the voiceover yet. Anyhow, so we have a fourth boxes down here, and I really like what she did with the new format. I think it's going to be very versatile, and I think it might actually work better for me than the old format. The one box that I was really struggling with in the old format were the half scallop boxes, and I don't have those anymore. So, okay, next page. She's calling this one the functional page. So we have our headers up here, and I love when I was watching her show off the new design and everything, these and how thin they are. I just I think it's amazing. And I think you have 8 here instead of 7, which is going to be super fun. I love the snowflakes here as well. They're just so pretty. And then, of course, you have your normal floral stuff there. We have a full box that, if you have lots going on, this is an easy one to add things to. I think she called it the sidebar box, which I guess I hadn't really realized that was what it was supposed to be. And then you have your Monday through Sunday still, which I'm super grateful for. Still 2 habit trackers, still have checklists, but she shortened them. Instead of, I think they were 5 before, now they're 3. We have little pieces of the torn paper on here, and it looks a little bit different. So I think the edging, like instead of having a little bit of white in here, now we don't, which is really fun. And we have 2 of those on there. And then on this side, we have a few more like swatch type irregular boxes, which are really nice. And then these 2 here, I'm super excited about. I think they're absolutely beautiful with the lace edge and everything, and the little bits of floral already added. Super easy to use and just super nice. But this page is probably the page that I'm most excited about the changes on, to be honest. So we still have our washi here. This is pretty standard, although the one change she made to this is it's no longer cut across. So you just have 2 full strips. So if you don't want to have that break for your sidebar, you don't have to. If you do, you just trim it. It's not a big deal. But then check this out. We have these 2 strips with the lace, which I can't wait to try out. I think they're going to be amazing. And then I don't know if she showed this this might be different than the sample that I saw her see, because I don't remember these, but these are amazing. They're 2 little strips here, like super delicate and fine with little snowflakes on them. So pretty. And I think those are going to be fun to add in. Then we have our days of the week, which she shortened. So I'm going to see if they actually work in a Hobonichi, like size-wise, because they just needed to be a little thinner for my cousin. I just got done planning this week, so it's out of its case. But hold on. Let me find a weekly page, because I'm really curious. Guys, I think they're going to totally match. Hold on. Wait. They will. Oh my gosh. That makes this kit even more versatile for me, because that's the one thing I struggle with, is finding ones that fit here perfectly, because it's just enough of a difference that it trips me up. Sorry, I'm trying to get this back down right. There we go. Okay. So I'm excited about that change. And then, move this back out of the way. Sorry, guys. And then we get Deco down here. So if you want Deco, you don't have to buy the journaling kit to get it. It just like auto comes, which is really nice. And it's sized a little bit smaller. And I think I like this size better. So that is the full like normal kit. And then here are our add-ons. So for the journaling, so I get another set of weekdays that are, the right size for my Hobonichi, which is going to make it really easy for me to be able to use this kit in my 7x9 and in my Hobonichi cousin at the same time. So if I want them to like match or something. So we have all of the days of the week. And then she has all these like torn paper elements that I think are really amazing. I love stamps. I just think they're really fun to play with. So I'm excited that we now have 2 stamps, more torn paper. We have some of the sticker, like the washi tape type ones. I kind of really like these ones as well, because they are so thin. You can just underline something. You have some cute deco in there. And you even have like, there's a little snowflake there. So cute. And this is our second page. So that one said journal. So this is Deco. So I think the journaling page used to have 2 pages, or was it always Deco? Is it always journaling in Deco? I don't know. But anyhow, this is the second page. So you have some really big florals on here, some bigger, different elements here you can pull in, the nice big pieces of torn paper. And then you have some individual large florals in here as well, which are really nice. So I still love that fireplace. And oh, it's kind of contour cut or kiss cut, whatever, around the candles even. So check this out. This is a lot of detail here. So each candle is kind of individually cut out there, which is going to look really nice when you're putting it down. So, and there's that snow globe again. Okay, and this is the floral page, which got some updates. I think it doesn't look hugely different. I think she made the florals bigger, which I like. I kind of like having a variety of big clusters and small clusters and different sizes of it. Just makes it more appealing, I think, to your eye rather than having the same cluster over and over again. So I like the fact that she did some updates to this. I like seeing more individual things as well that you can pull in, because sometimes you don't want a whole floral, you just want a little touch of something. So that's really nice. And that's everything for the kit this month. I think it is well worth the price that you pay for it. I think it's just a really beautiful design and very, very versatile. And definitely, if you have to treat yourself to a subscription, everybody's planning style is different, but I think this one works for a lot of people. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. Hopefully that plan with me from using last month's kit will come up on Tuesday for you guys, so you can kind of see how that worked out. It was a lot of fun to put together. All right, that's all I have for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and look for that plan with me coming up on Tuesday, and we'll have some other videos coming out Thursday, and of course the normal Sunday video as well. If you want to see more about my Hobonichi, I generally post a lot of that over on Instagram, although I am starting to incorporate a little bit of that into the channel here as well. But that's generally where I'll post like this week's spread there and things like that. Feel free to leave me any comments and stuff down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.